will confess that you are God. Let's go to the second one. Peace. Say peace. That was the second stanza they sang. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace. Why? Because that dragon came to bring confusion in the earth. The son would hate the father, the wife hates the husband, and the son will hate the parents. Siblings will fight. There will be swords everywhere. There will be battles and wars. The dragon made division among people, and it's still doing it. You can't lose your peace in your heart because you slept hungry. You don't lose your peace over hunger. The one great thing that takes your peace is because you don't speak well with your neighbor,